bright faces here. Firstly, I would like to express my gratitude and I'm so thankful that Poddar has invited me. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. And a very, very good afternoon to the bright future of India, Maharashtra, Karad. What would I say? Where would you people like to go in future? Just anyone? Where would you like to go to travel for your work, business? No answers? I would really like this session to be yes, please, my dear. Wow. And why would you like to go to US?
There are more facilities than India and I think it's better for everyone.
Excellent. Would you come back from US?
Yes.
Wow. I'm thoroughly impressed. Anyone from girls? Or you plan never to leave Karad? Alright. So, ma'am has already given my introduction. I'm a certified nutritionist and fitness trainer. And before I actually begin with the session, presentation. एक छोटी सी कहानी सुनाऊंगी. Presentation will be in English. I hope Hindi is fine with all of you. Right. If there is any doubt, should you not understand anything, please feel free to ask at the end of the session. And I would expect some answers from girls too, because I'm a female health coach and I would like to see more and more girls coming forward. So, छोटी सी कहानी, I'm not going to bore you guys, okay? एक नगर के राजा थे. वो एक दिन जंगल जाते हैं. किसी कारणवश परेशानी में फंस जाते हैं और उनकी जान खतरे में है. तो एक लकड़हारा उनकी जान बचाता है. अब राजा जी के पास कुछ था नहीं, वो जंगल में सैर करने गए थे. उन्होंने कहा, आप हमारे महल पधारे, हम आपको अवश्य बख्शिश देंगे, भेंट देंगे. अब लकड़हारे ने ये कहानी अपने बीवी को बताई. उसने कहा, आप कल ही चले जाइए, पता नहीं आपको क्या बख्शिश मिल जाए. लकड़हारा दूसरे दिन फटे पुराने कपड़े पहन के चला जाता है. सिपाही सोल्जर्स एट द गेट कहते हैं कि आप नहीं मिल सकते राजा से. वो कहता है, नहीं, राजा जी ने तो मुझे शब्द दिया है, वो मुझसे मिलेंगे अवश्य. दरबार में जाते हैं. लकड़हारा राजा जी को याद दिलाता है कि आपने हमें शब्द दिया है कि आप हमारे लिए कुछ करेंगे, कुछ इनाम देंगे. राजा जी नेक दिल, दरिया दिल थे. उन्होंने एक चंदन का जंगल लकड़हारे को बख्शिश कर दिया. लकड़हारा तो लकड़हारा ठहरा बेचारा. चंदन की लकड़ियां जला जला के कोयला बनाता था, कोयला बेचता था. कई साल बीत गए और राजा जी को अचानक ध्यान में आया कि क्यों ना मैं देख आऊं कि वो लकड़हारे ने क्या किया है जंगल के साथ, अपनी जिंदगी के साथ. जब राजा जी मिलने आते हैं, उससे देखा कि आधे से ज्यादा जंगल तो खत्म हो चुका है, कुछ है ही नहीं. मैंने जो इसे दिया था कहाँ है. जैसे तैसे एक दो पेड़ दिखाई देते हैं. अब जब लकड़हारा दिखता है, पूछते हैं, भाई कैसे हो, सब ठीक है? कहता है, हाँ, पहले से तो काफी बेहतर है. पहनने के लिए कपड़े हैं, खाने के लिए खाना है, छत पे है, छत भी है सर पे. तो राजा जी आश्चर्यचकित होकर सोचते हैं कि मैंने इसे चंदन सा जंगल दिया था, ये अभी भी उसी अवस्था में है. उन्होंने पूछा, तुम करते क्या हो? कहता है, कोयला बनाता हूँ, कोयला बना के बेचता हूँ, अच्छी कट रही है जिंदगी. राजा जी बहुत दुखी थे, खेद था उनके मन में, पर क्या करते. लकड़हारा तो लकड़हारा ही ठहरा. वो अपनी बुद्धी से, अपनी कपॅसिटी से, आपल्या कुवतीनुसार त्यांनी विचार केला. आणि मग राजा म्हटले, हा एक तुकडा घेऊन जा, जंगलात विक आणि बघ किती पैसे मिळतात ते. And then he comes back with lots of money for a small log of wood. My dear, this story is not about the woodcutter or the king. The story is about you, about all of us as human beings. हम सबको एक ही बॉडी मिली है. The only thing that you are born with, the only thing that you die with. And whether you take care of it like sandalwood or you burn it like a coal, it's your choice. How would you look like, how would you feel like, how you talk to others, how you respond to others, whether you respond or react. कोई आके बाजू में धक्का दे, दिसत नाही का? जरा सरकता का? Choice is yours, my dear. And how do we come up and build choices in life? Let's dive into the presentation. So, a teeny weeny story about me. I like to tell everything in the form of a story. That was me somewhere in my late 30s. And this is me as you can see me now. And this was my, before I take my PT sessions. So, मुझे लकड़हारा बने रहना मंजूर नहीं था. I wanted to shape up my life. Doing that, I found my purpose. I want to shape up others. I want to help others. I do have male clients, but female client is my large database. So, this is my story. I would like to check your vision. ये जो बदन उठा के खड़ी है, can anybody tell me who is she? Anyone? Sorry? Yes, Alia Bhatt, right. So some of you might be, पता नहीं आप जो भी generation हो, Gen Z, Alpha, Millennial, I really don't understand this jargon, I'm so sorry. But you must be relating to her when it comes to Bollywood or beauty or media, entertainment. I purposely put this picture that Alia Bhatt is lifting weight. She's lifting a good amount of weight. Boys, you can relate to maybe Hrithik Roshan. So I just have few questions over here. What is fitness to all of you? And now I want answer from girls first. What is fitness? Anyone? And I will take an answer because this is a two-way communication. Anyone, please. Anything is fine with me. Hindi, English, Marathi, broken language. भावना पोचल्या पाहिजे. Get up. If you don't get up willingly, I'm gonna point at anyone. Choice is yours. Chalo, come on, tell me. Yeah, that. The girl in the first, second, third, fourth, fifth row, sitting at the corner. Hi, my dear, please stand up. What is fitness for you? Anything? Have you heard this word before? Fitness? Yeah. So what do you think about it?
It is important for our life.
Right. Anyone from the boys? जिंदगी में सबसे जरूरी चीज क्या है आपके लिए? Please.
To maintain a healthy lifestyle.
Excellent. I never thought a 8th standard would be on point for the first time. Excellent. Of course. If you have to do anything in life, कुछ भी बनना है, झाड़ू भी मारना है ना इस रूम में, you still need fitness, right? So it's not about whether you come from this layer of society, or you are here. Health and fitness is important for each of us sitting here. Why? Why? At your age, it is utmost important. Most of the time we are not having awareness. My parents never had awareness that they should make me do the fitness training in my early years. But now I want this awareness to be created. Fitness is not just muscles, six packs, लड़के बाइसेप जिम में जा जाके इतना उठाते कब तो मुझे मेरे डोले शोले दिख जाए यार. That's not fitness. Fitness is something when you have a right frame of mind. Fitness is something also when you are writing an exam. अरे यार बहुत पढ़ा था लेकिन अब याद नहीं आ रहा है. Fitness is something which gives you good memory, cognition, your power to think, your power to comprehend, your power to speak. Fitness is something how you deal with other people. And fit people, strong people, lift other people. They never put others down. So this lecture along with nutrition is about everything. Everything that you do at Poddar, okay? So physical strength, aesthetics, beauty and immunity. I would like to speak about immunity. Post-COVID there is a lot of awareness amongst everyone that you should be taking supplements, you should be eating good food. But have you ever thought that fitness is also something that can prevent you from having diabetes, blood pressure, cancer in the future years? I recommend getting into strength training from the age of 7 to 8. If म्हातारं झाल्यावर असं हात धरून धरून चालायचं नसेल ना, start lifting weights now. It is that important. If you don't want to have Alzheimer when you grow old, fitness is the answer. सिर्फ बादाम खा के बुद्धि अच्छी नहीं होती, ये याद रखना. You need this too. Okay. Anyone? I want to. Anyone of you? Can someone tell me what is missing in this plate? I have purposely not put. Anyone, please don't make me pick you up. Please voluntarily just give the answer. What is missing in this plate? No right, wrong answers. Okay, I'm not judging anyone of you. Yeah.
Some protein.
Wow! You have blown my mind, and I'm super impressed by you. Yes. This is a typical Indian plate with purpose. I have not put roti, chapati, bhakri. The only reason is our diet is so carb dominated, so heavy on our minds की हम सोच भी नहीं सकते. पुण्यामध्ये तर 1 वाजता काम बंद, झोपायचं म्हणजे झोपायचं. We are eating, not to live. We are living to eat. Please read my words again in your mind. You have to eat to live or live to eat is your choice. So typically a vegetarian plate should look like small portion of a carb. It could be either rice, roti, bhakri. You can also accompany with a very small portion of a probiotic. Probiotic is something that will give you good gut bacteria, dahi, taak. Dal, lentils, legumes, pulses. We are blessed in Maharashtra. We have so many lentils and pulses. But again, please don't take dals and lentils as a source of protein. They are carbs. Let me be very clear about it. Then there is kobi ji bhaji, kakdi, again fiber, little bit of fiber. So how can you balance this plate? Of your palm size, you can add soya chunks, paneer, tofu. At your age, you can also add a protein shake if you come from a strictly vegetarian background. Does this help everyone? I mean, am I giving you any inputs and value to the session? Okay, let's move ahead. What is that few things that you should never eat and you always eat? Junk food, processed food, refined food, ultra processed food. You go to street, you eat so many things. Not just aesthetically. It's not just about pimples, acne, fat, not fitting into the size. But these foods slow you down. These foods contribute to the metabolic diseases that you may have in the next 10 years. We already spoke about strength training, but I would like to know how many of you do any sort of exercise here? Any exercise? Yeah. What do you do for exercise?
Calisthenics.
Calisthenics. Excellent. What about you?
Medium to high calisthenics.
Wow.
Body weight exercises.
Body weight. Excellent. And for how long in a day? How long do you give time to physical fitness?
1 hour.
1 hour. Excellent. And can I safely assume girls in Karad, Podda don't do anything for their health? And they have given all the rights and entitlement to the boys to be healthy, fit, and to score great in the boards, or we just study? No one? Oh my God. I think you girls are going to need lots of brainwashing. No worries. What I would like to put here as a value is make groups, do whatever suits. Everybody has a different goal. किसी को फुटबॉल में अच्छा होना है, किसी को अच्छा क्रिकेट खेलना है, किसी को कोई स्पेसिफिक फिगर में बनना है. I have a dream. I have to look like someone. I have an idea. Do you, any of you, have that kind of a goal that you want to fit your body in a certain frame? For that, you will have to align your diet with the workouts that you are doing. Now, you must be a little surprised I have not put Zumba, yoga, anything over here. Because they all are activities, exercises, and training is something that you follow, which is written, which is planned, and it progresses over a period of time. That is strength training. Strength training is something, it will build your grit, memory, body, focus, and help you with aging better. The sooner you start, the better it gets for you. And the most interesting thing is you don't actually need a gym if you want to do strength training. Lots of bodyweight exercises can cover that. There are lots of challenging things that you can do with your own body weight. For some people, I even recommend कि घर पे 1-2 लीटर की बाटली है तो उसको उठा लो यार, वजन सिलेंडर उठा लो, पोतं उचला, काही पण करा, just lift. Because if you don't lift weights, किसी और को तुम्हें लिफ्ट करने को आना पड़ेगा कुछ सालों में. So you better take care of it. So I hope you all will indulge in an activity as students that you follow healthy eating pattern. I always train my mentees, don't be very hard on yourself. Zindagi hai. Half of the girls sitting here, I feel they are in ICU. They are not even smiling. Don't be so harsh on yourself, please. Smile once in a while. 10th standard, 8th standard, this is not end of the story. So beginning ये trailer है, भाई साहब दुनिया में जाओगे ना, इससे बहुत tough चीजें आने वाली है सामने. You better start pulling your socks up and preparing for it. कैसे? ठीक से खाना सीखो. घर पे जो बनाया है उसका रिस्पेक्ट करना सीखो. Don't make too many choices. And intelligent minds, people who want to accomplish anything in their life, they keep their choices very, very small. Mark Zuckerberg, he only wears a black t-shirt and black pant because he doesn't want to spend his precious energy on making decisions. Me आज काय घालू? No. Spend least amount of your energy on the food choices. Keep it very, very simple. सण वार खूप आहेत आपल्याकडे. You can indulge during festivals. You are still small kids. You don't need calorie counting. But yes, you need good information. Good information means good food. Whatever you speak, you think, you eat, you work out, and you are an outcome of the 5 people that you spend your time with. So you better watch your company, everyone. If you are in a company where they have habit to complain about others, where they have the habit to put others down, I have seen this one common thing in Karad, and I'm really sorry for the language. तुम्हाला माहिती आहे का माझा बाप कोण आहे? If you carry that attitude, believe me, you will not go anywhere in life. Don't carry the entitlements with you. We all know, प्रत्येकाला माहित असतं त्याचा बाप कोण आहे. तुम्हाला माहिती आहे का माझा बाप कोण आहे? You don't know. What is important is the world should know you. The world should know your power, your qualities, your abilities, your intelligence. Or do you want to carry some kind of a number plate, board plate where you have your parents, grandparents' name written? So if you want to build anything in life, this is the time. If you have still not started, especially for the girls, please come out of the ICU. The world is really beautiful out there. Karad has a beautiful climate to offer. You have lots of wealth in terms of Krishna River, Koina. So I want to see happy faces. Please make good food choices. Please make good choices when it comes to company. And please don't complain about anything that goes on in life. See if you can make the things better. Be the person. I have just seen somewhere in the corridor. Be the person you want to see. So if you are not being that person, don't expect the world the same for you. And I really wish all of you a very, very bright future. Please look ahead for the opportunities outside of your comfort zone. I would like to take questions, if any. No question means either I was such a great speaker that I have left no room for doubts. Yeah, my dear.
When you started your strength training?
I started my strength training at the age of 37. Yeah. I am 41 now. I am off training for some time due to some injury. But I am able to come out of the difficult situations because I strength train. Along with that, I train my brain. So train your brain to see good in everything. Even if, for example, something goes the way you want it to be. कभी मार्क पकडले, काहीतरी झालं, anything, any small thing, petty things, big things. Your strength lies in the fact if you are able to achieve some results out of the difficult situation. And I assume the girls here are absolutely okay. No worries. I tried my best, but I wish all of you please lend a voice to your own self. Tomorrow you could be the voice of Maharashtra, India. You don't know. We are global citizens.
She has represented herself at international level in a dance competition.
Wow.
So,
Hearty congrats.
so she knows the importance of fitness,
Yes.
but she is not putting any question. And
She is a very good speaker.
Thank you. Thank you. No, the whole point was be interactive, ask questions. At the most, what happens is, if you ask something, you are foolish for a moment. If you don't ask, you are foolish for your lifetime. So choose your foolishness. That's all I want to say. Anyone from the boys? I wish you all the best. I'm very sure by the time you go to US, the Trump won't be there and the rules will be changed. All the best.
I want to say something.
Yes, please.
Actually, I have one question, but it's not for me. On behalf of all students, I'm asking question. Actually, this time should not have come that I should speak on behalf of students. But still, let me ask you that every morning we face one problem. That our teachers, including our respective principal sirs, energy is too high in the morning when we reach to school, and especially at the time of assembly. But our students' energy is too low that their good morning, happy morning, we couldn't hear. What's the problem?
I have answers. Just random persons now I will pick. What time do you sleep? Anyone? Anyone? Just get up. What time do you sleep at night? Yeah. 10. And what exactly do you do before you go to sleep? You scroll mobile? Read a book. Excellent. How many of you have mobiles with you when you go to bed? Just raise your hands.
be
Okay.
true to yourself. Yes.
Yeah. Excellent. Okay. Alright. So, beyond our comprehension and understanding, this teeny weeny device, this is not something, it's not a giver, it's a taker. It takes all of your energy, especially the one that is very much needed in your formative years. My dear, you all are growing. And if I speak scientifically, I didn't want to bore you, so I didn't put many scientific facts in the presentation. But for you, the growth spur takes every 1 to 2 hours. That is how you will see you are growing in height, your shoe size is increasing, you need new clothes every now and then. But the growth spur will respond positively those who are feeding their body positively. With good sleep, good food, good thoughts, and very, very restricted mobile timings. Now, when ma'am points this out, I think this is a very, very sensitive subject, but kids are hitting puberty very fast. Thanks to the blue light, towers, mobile. This tiny light interferes with a gland in your brain. It's called pituitary gland. And it gives you a signal. Be fresh. You'll feel very energetic in the night. And when you come to the school, yes sir, yes ma'am, as if the vocal box is left at home. So the problem here is habit formation. You have to stack on habits. Nothing. Rome was not built in a day. Kodar was not built in a day. It has taken time to have these many students get to where you are now. So you have to start. For example, if you are scrolling for 3 to 4 hours, you have to cut down 1 hour. If you are sleeping at 12 o'clock, you have to start somewhere at 11:30. bring the windows 30 minutes earlier, and while you go to sleep and when you wake up, the one thing that everyone should do, irrespective of the age, please be grateful. Don't complain. इन्होंने मुझे ये नहीं दिया, मेरे पास ये नहीं है, स्कूल में ये नहीं है, अरे ये क्लीन नहीं है, कैंटीन में आज ये बना हुआ है. It is the lowest quality of a human being. Whenever you go to sleep and when you wake up, be grateful. You are having parents, you are having clothes to wear. Many of you might, your parents are dropping you with a car, coming by bus. You have ACs in your home. You have all the equipments in your home. You all must be having mobile. Please be grateful for 3 things when you wake up and 5 things when you go to sleep. You have no idea how much of India is into poverty. So, it is a part of nutrition. Because what you think is what you feed to your body. And I really hope that from tomorrow, ma'am will be able to hear Happy Morning from all of you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Anybody has any question to ask? Any? Nobody? Ginny? Nobody?
They're shy.
Why shy? See, ma'am is friendly asking you, sharing you all the information. Ma'am, one more question from my side. Since we are working from morning till evening, so the one problem we face is how to sustain the energy till the last moment, I mean, till the end of the day.
Yeah.
So whether we should have lot more food or we should skip the
Is it
food.
for adults?
Is it for adults?
Okay. So, as I mentioned, vegetarian food is great, no doubt about that. So, when I knew, I came here at around 12:50 because I thought the lecture is at around 12:30. So, we all knew our days in ahead. In fact, हम लोग तो रिटायरमेंट के लिए प्लान करते हैं इंडिया में, पेंशन एंड ऑल. तो हमारे पास इतना प्लानिंग है, फिर टाइमिंग का प्लानिंग, खाने का प्लानिंग क्यों नहीं है? So, when you want your brain to be highly active, taking decisions, studying, doing research, you should give a fuel that will keep you awake. And by that I mean don't start eating upma, poha, bhaji, puri, bonda, vade, misal. That is not going to fuel your brain. I'm so sorry to say that. What will actually fuel your brain is a very good source of protein. If we come to vegetarian sources, you have to choose somewhere. What you can have is, for example, moong ka chila, sprouted chilas with some handful of nuts. Now, nuts are very calorie rich, so be very careful when you consume nuts. Not more than the size of your fist. Whatever fits in your fist, badam, akhroat, soak them. Why? To remove the anti-nutrients. So a good breakfast is very necessary to sustain the day. Because when you eat a good breakfast, it gives signal to your body that it needs energy for the day. All those people, also the adults, ma'am, those who skip the breakfast, their body goes into a fat starving mode, thinking that it's okay, I'll get some food, and whenever I get food, I'll eat lots of it. We have this huge thali system in India, not just Maharashtra, in India. Unfortunately, in this time, in 2025, we all are overfed and nutritionally malnourished. Calories खूप आहेत आपल्या पानामध्ये. आपण जवळजवळ 1,500, 2,500 पर्यंत खातो. आता तर काय गणपती आहेत, गौरी आहेत, the list is endless in India. We just cannot stop it. That time we tend to eat around 3,000 calories per day. पण तुम्ही शेतकरी नाही आहे, तुम्ही काम नाही करत, तुम्ही मजूर नाही आहे, you don't even burn half of it. So, calorie burning is not the right way. You have to control your intake. Kids, you should have minimum 4 meals in a day. As adults, we should have a good breakfast, good lunch and good dinner, early dinner. The more we are closer to the circadian rhythm, simply speaking, Suryodaya Suryasta cycle, if you follow, you will naturally stay healthy for a long period of time. Now, you have to choose your healthy. सिर्फ लंबा जीना है who think this is fitness. But if you want preventative care for yourself, you have to think before you put anything in your mouth. So personally, what I practice is sometimes, very rarely, like yesterday, my kids wanted to eat something junk, and they were very specific that we want junk. So just to accompany them, I had a small piece so that they don't feel left out. But then you have to choose your timings once a month, maybe once in 2 months, so that, because in such a beautiful clean hall, does anyone plans to bring the garbage or dung? Koni आणून इथे शेण टाकेल का? I don't think so. Anyone in their sane mind will do that. But when you eat these kind of foods frequently, you are doing that to your body. I'm really sorry to say. And I'm a very blunt speaker. I don't use soft words because that's how people understand. So whenever you eat, be it adults, be it children, please ask yourself, is it fueling your growth or is it making you age faster? कुणाला माताला दिसायला आवडतं? Anybody? किसी का गोल है ऐसा मुझे ना मस्त बुड्ढा करने का है यार. I've never met that person. I'm yet to meet that person. Still. So, as vegetarians or even if you are non-vegetarians, choose your sources wisely. Eat clean. Don't complain and don't put others down. Thank you so much, ma'am. I think Purva is having one question. Of course, it's a great question. You must be an intellectual student in your class who's asking this question. It's very very important. If I want to give you an analogy, जेव्हा आपण एखादी बी रोवतो जमिनीमध्ये, तर ती व्यवस्थित छान अशी वर यावी, आधी त्याचं छोटंसं एक स्प्राउट येतं, मग रोप होतं, मग झाड होतं. तर ह्या सगळ्या प्रोसेसमध्ये फक्त पाणी पुरेसं आहे का? What all things will it need? What all things will it need to grow? Sunlight. What else? Yeah, sunlight, good soil, maybe some amount of fertilizers if required. And you will not be looking every now and then. So उकरून आपण बघणार नाही ना, येतेय का? उद्या येतेय का? परवा येतेय का? Similarly, mental health plays a great role in your life. That is the reason I was asking you again and again. Please don't complain. Please don't say bad thing about others. For example, बऱ्याच ठिकाणी घरांमध्ये पण कंडिशनिंग असतं. गॉसिप केलं जातं, दुसऱ्याविषयी वाईट बोलून, तुला माहिती आहे त्या मामाचा तो मुलगा होता ना. प्लीज स्टॉप इट. स्टॉप देन अँड देअर इटसेल्फ. इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ मेंटल हेल्थ. इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ फिटनेस. Saying anything bad about anyone is the most lowest vibration for a human. It trains your brain to see bad things in people, bad things in situations. And all the energy that should have been gone towards studying, gone towards making something better, you are diverting that very energy about complaining and doing bad things to others. If you are mentally good, you will physically be good. If you are physically good, automatically you have to be mentally good. So if someone out there says or body shames you, you must just forgive that person, thinking that या तो उसका ऊपर का माला खाली है, कुछ तो खाली है. So this is the least I would expect from all of you. Please don't body shame any of them. तू बारीक आहेस, तू जाड आहेस, तू काळा आहेस, तू गोरा आहेस. Don't do that to anyone. This is a part of mental health. And it is extremely important that if you consider yourself as rational human beings. Anyone here, what is rational? I definitely want an answer for the word rational. To make your journey tough, I spoke in Hindi, Marathi, English. Yeah.
But certain things logically.
Logically. And can you give me one example? If I ask you, can you behave rationally? What is that?
Behave reasonably or to put reasonable.
There you are, reasonable. So whenever you say anything about anyone, take a pause and be reasonable in your mind. Even we as adults sometimes we do that. Dibak kashi hai. Oh please go look at yourself into the mirror. You are not perfect either. You are not 100% either. We are all beautiful, imperfectly perfect human beings here. Right? So my dear, yes, mental health is a part of your entire being. If you are happy, it will reflect in your body. Some girls, they will always stand like this. Some of them are like this. And I encourage you, open your chest wide, be confident. There will be people who will put you down. Don't let anybody do that to you. Mental health is a part of your curriculum. Even if it is not taught, you need to uplift yourself and understand. If you are healthy here, सब कुछ होगा. You may score top in the board. Someday we can see someone from here is at Google, somewhere in USA, right? And we'll be so proud that there will be news here. Karad Poddar ek mulga. Because girls are not giving me the opportunity to say that, so I have to say that. No gender bias here.
Thank you, ma'am. Any other questions? Okay. And it's all done. PPT.
Done.
I request you to please answer.